What's good, y'all? Today I'll be getting my long tube headers installed today. As you can see, I got them heat wrapped and stuff, you know, to save me the trouble in the future. I also got these mid pipes, high flow cats, that's what they're really called. Hopefully it won't take a long time to get installed and everything. Hopefully I can pick it up right back tomorrow.
One eternity later.
I can't even lie, y'all. I've been having way too much fun after getting my headers and my high flow cats installed. Way too much fun. It took me a while just to get this video started. But I will say, if you want to go get headers, definitely go get it. They are definitely worth it. Also, if you do get headers, make sure you buy BBK O2 sensors, because they don't come as a package. You gotta buy them all separately. You have to buy the BBK long tube headers, high flow cats, and then of course the sensors. But other than that, I think you're good. But I will say, well, for me, I call it engine light, but I got rid of my engine light by installing new O2 sensors. It won't be for everybody, but if the engine light does come on, that could be the problem, and that could be the solution too. So make sure you get your car tuned after. It don't have to be soon, but just make sure you get it tuned. It don't, you know what I'm saying, it won't do its thing. Also, you can see it right here. Got them heat wrapped by my boy Fletch. Go hit him up. He'll get you right. All cosmetic mods, everything. Anything you want, he can do it. I'm gonna try to give y'all a little rev. Mine's all set up. I got no mid muffler. I got my Dynamex bullets at the rear, which I wish I didn't do, but it is what it is. My only mods are the engine cold intake, which I got off of American Muscle. Got it for about $320. Shit, that's really it as far as engine mods, really. But I am gonna give y'all some drive-bys of how it sounds outside the car and maybe inside the car.
Days later.
There's nowhere to hide. No, it's
What you say?
you gotta push your shit to the ground, bro.
No, he's not, bro. He has a 300, so you know what you're doing. Shit down.
Hey,
Yo.
there is a firearm in this bitch.
Oh yeah, put that in the glove compartment.
I'm not touching this motherfucker. I don't know what
I ain't gonna lie.
Hey, this bitch look like it got a button on it in there. What the fuck? Hey, I just feel like I'm finna snatch up. I should've never gave you niggas money. Okay.
Okay, I ain't gonna lie.
My bad.
It's a shorty
Shit.
driving it. I ain't gonna lie. It's starting to pour down now, so I'm going to go ahead and end the video off for the day. Like and subscribe. Comment down below any questions about my setup for my 300. And I'm going to just catch you guys later.